नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मी बालाजी सोमवंशी. आपलं माझ्या मॅथ्स अँड टेक्नॉलॉजी यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये स्वागत आहे. आज आपण इयत्ता 9वी गणित सेतू अभ्यासक्रम ब्रिज कोर्स टेस्ट थर्ड ही सेमी इंग्लिश मीडियमच्या स्टुडंट्सच्या मागणीनुसार तयार करत आहोत. तर आज आपण टेस्ट थर्ड याविषयी चर्चा करणार आहोत. चला तर मग सुरू करूया. टेस्ट थर्ड फायनल टेस्ट Standard 9th, time 2 hours, subject mathematics, total marks 30. Question first. Some questions and their alternative answers are given. Select the correct options and write its alphabet. 6 marks. First sub question. Out of the following numbers, dash dash is a prime number. We know prime number 2, 22, 4 and 0. Here 2 is the prime number, so answer is 2, or we can write here A. Select the correct option and write its alphabet, means here we can write A. Second question, if a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then the sum of interior angles on the same side of a transversal is 180 degree. 180 degree, that is B. Third question, cube root of 64 is, we know cube root of 64 is 4. So answer is here D. Next question, the point of concurrence of medians of a triangle divides each median in the ratio 2:1. Here C 2:1, so we can write here C. Next one, a minus b bracket square equal to, we know a minus b bracket square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here a square minus 2ab plus b square means option B. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Here we can write B. Next, 4a plus 5a plus 3a minus 2b equal to dash dash. Here 4a plus 3a, adding both 4a plus 3a, that is 7a, and 5b minus 2b, that is plus 3b. 7a plus 3b is our answer C. Here answer is 7a plus 3b. Question 2. Solve the following sub question. 4 marks. Write the name of the test of congruence by which following triangles are congruent. Here in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, hypotenuse AC is congruent to hypotenuse PR, side BC is congruent to side QR, and angle B is 90 degree. Here angle Q is 90 degree. So our test of congruence is hypotenuse side test. Hypotenuse side test. Question 2, a minus 5 equal to 7, then find the value of a. A minus 5 equal to 7, find the value of a. Transfer 5 to right side. A equal to 7 minus 5, transfer plus 5, so 7 plus 5 equal to 12, so a equal to 12. Factorize a square minus 81. We know the formula a square minus b square. First we write here a square minus 81 equal to, we can write this a square minus 81 means 9 square. Now we know the formula. Here we can write the formula a square minus b square equal to, first bracket a plus b, second bracket a minus b. So a square minus 9 square equal to a plus 9, second bracket a plus 9, a minus 9, that is, again we can write a plus 9 into a minus 9. Angle R and angle S are vertically opposite angles of each other. Measure of angle R is 80 degree. Then find the measure of angle S. Angle R and S are vertically opposite. Draw a figure. Here, suppose this angle is R and measure of R is 80 degree, and yes, this angle, suppose yes, both angles are congruent, opposite angles are congruent. So R equal to 80, so S equal to also 80. Here we can write opposite angles, angle R and S are vertically opposite angles. We know opposite angles are congruent, so angle R equal to angle S, that is R equal to 80 degree, so angle S equal to 80 degree, angle S equal to 80 degree. Question third, solve the following sub questions, 14 marks. Draw any triangle ABC, draw median AD on a side BC from point A. Draw any triangle ABC and then a rough figure. Suppose draw median AD. Let ABC, we find the point of midpoint of BC. Find the midpoint of BC by taking the distance of greater than half of BC and take the midpoint D. Take the midpoint D. Draw triangle ABC by using robo compass. Actual activity. First, draw triangle ABC. Let point BC equal to 10 centimeter. Here, point C. Then join B and C with the help of scale. Then draw a point A. AB equal to 7 centimeter. Draw a arc at 7 centimeter. Then from C 9 centimeter draw a arc. Both arc meet at the point. Name that point A and join AB and join EAC, which is a triangle ABC. Now we find the midpoint of BC. Midpoint of BC. Draw a arc of both sides of BC, taking same distance in compass, and then intersect both the arcs. Join 2 points. Join 2 points by scale, and this line intersect BC at which point that point is our midpoint of BC. Here name the point D. Then draw a line AD, and AD is our median. AD is our median. AD is the median. Question 2. In a right angle triangle, lengths of hypotenuse and one of the sides are 10 cm and 6 cm respectively. Then find the length of other side. Here given length of hypotenuse is 10 cm and one side is 6 cm. We draw a triangle, a right angle triangle. Name this triangle A, B, C. Here hypotenuse AC, angle B is 90 degree, hypotenuse is 10 cm and one side is 6 cm. Suppose this is 6 cm. 6 cm, 10 cm. Find the length of other sides. In right angle triangle, ABC by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to AB square plus BC square. So AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Putting the values, AB square plus 6 square equal to AC means 10 square. Squaring AB square plus 6 square 36 equal to 10 square 100. AB square equal to 100 minus this plus 31 goes to right side, it will be minus 36. So equal to 100 minus 36 equal to 64. AB square equal to 64. Taking square roots, AB equal to 8. So AB equal to 8. Question, what is question? Find the length of other side. So length of other side equal to 8 centimeter. The sum of the ages of Sejal and Sonal is 30 years. Sejal is elder to Sonal by 2 years. Then find the age of Sejal. Let age of Sejal equal to x years and age of another one who is Sonal equal to y years. So by first condition, sum of the ages of Sejal and Sonal is 30 years. By first condition, given condition, x plus y equal to 30. Equation first. Now what is second condition? Sejal is elder to Sonal by 2 years. That is, difference between their ages is 2. By second condition, we can write x minus y equal to 2. Equation 2. Adding 1 and 2, adding 1 and 2, we get, write these two equations, x plus y equal to 30, and second equation x minus y equal to 2, x plus x, 2x, y get cancel, 30 plus 2 that is 32, x equal to 2x equal to 32, so x equal to 32 by 2, that is x equal to 60. X equal to 60. Find the age of Sejal. So age of Sejal equal to 16 years. YRS means short years. Construct triangle ABC such that AB equal to 4.2 cm, BC equal to 5.4 cm, and AC equal to 6 cm. Here three sides are given. Construct a triangle with the help of robo compass. Draw a point, take point A, then 6 cm, another point C, join point A and C with the help of scale, then take a distance 4.2 into compass 4.2 and draw an arc, then taking distance 5.4 in compass and draw another arc intersect to first one, and given point take the point B, join AB and BC with the help of scale, and which is our required triangle ABC. This is our required triangle ABC. In the following figure, line M parallel line N and line P is their transversal. From the given information, find the values of A and B. Give reason for your answer. Here line M and N are parallel, P is transversal. Let this angle is consider C. Let C equal to 80 degree. C equal to 80 degree. So angle B equal to angle C. Both angles are vertically opposite to each other. Here we can write opposite angles. Opposite angles. Opposite angles. So angle B equal to 80 degree. B equal to 80 degree. Now angle B and A are alternate angles. Angle B and angle A. Angle A equal to angle B. What is the reason? Angles are alternate angles. Alternate angles. Alternate angles. And alternate angles are congruent. So angle A equal to also B. B means value of B is 80 degree. A equal to also 80 degree. Represent the given numbers on a number line. First 5 by 3, second minus 4 by 3. We draw a number line. This is a number line. Take here 0. Then right side take the point 1. Here 2, 3. And left side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here in 0 and 1 denominator given 3. So divide each part into 3 parts. So here 0, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, and here 3 by 3. 3 by 3 means 1. Now here also 2 parts, 4 by 3, 5 by 3, 6 by 3. 6 by 3 means 2. Now left side here 2 parts, here also 2 parts, 0, minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 3 by 3 means 1, minus 4 by 3, minus 5 by 3, and this is minus 6 by 3. Minus 6 by 3 means minus 2. Now first question is 5 by 3. Point 5 by 3. Here we find this is our point 5 by 3. Represent the given numbers. This is 5 by 3 and minus 4 by 3. Here minus 4 by 3. So minus 4 by 3. solve 4x square minus 3x plus 7 minus x square plus 8x minus 5. Here 4x square minus 3x plus 7 minus x square plus 8x minus 5 equal to, we write here equal to, multiply second bracket by minus sign. First bracket as it is 4x square minus 3x plus 7 minus x square minus 8x minus plus 5. Here x square term, two terms, 4x square minus x square, 4x square minus x square, then minus 3x minus 8x, and last plus 7 plus 5. These are same terms, 4x square minus 1x square, that is 3x square, minus 3x minus 8x, that is addition 11x, plus 7 plus 5 12, which is our required answer. Question 4. Solve the following sub questions, 6 marks. In a circle with center O, segment OP perpendicular chord AB, AB equal to 48, OP equal to 7 cm, OP equal to 7 cm, and AB equal to 48. We know OP perpendicular AB, OP perpendicular AB. So P is the midpoint of AB, midpoint of AB, because we know perpendicular drawn to the chord from circle bisect the chord. So P is the midpoint of AB. So AP equal to PB equal to half AB. That is half. What is the value of AB? AB equal to 48. 48 by 2 means equal to 24. So we get this distance 24, this 7. Now find OB, and this angle is 90 degree. So in right angle triangle OPB by Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem, OB square equal to OP square plus PB square. Putting the values, OP equal to 7, that is 7 square plus PB means 24 square. 7 square 49 plus 24 square 576. So OB square equal to, taking the addition 49 plus 5 176 equal to 625. Taking square roots, OB equal to 25. Square root of 625 is 25. So radius of the circle, equal to 25 centimeter. This radius OB 25 centimeter. Multiply the given polynomials and write the degree of product. Here, taking multiplication, x square minus 1 into x square minus 4x plus 8 equal to we write equal to here. We multiply x square to whole bracket and minus 1 to whole bracket. So x square into bracket x square minus 4x plus 8 minus 1 into same bracket x square minus 4x plus 8. So x square into x square into x square, that is x4 minus x square into 4x minus 4x cube plus 8x square, multiply by minus 1 to second bracket minus x square minus minus plus 4x minus 8. Now similar terms, fourth term only one, x fourth, cube term only one, minus 4x cube, square term 8x square minus x square, that is plus 7x square, and px 4x only one minus 8. Write the degree of product. So degree equal to degree of this answer, degree equal to 4. Highest power is the degree of polynomial. In this way we complete the टेस्ट 3. थँक्यू, धन्यवाद. अशा प्रकारे आपण पूर्ण टेस्ट 3 पाहिलेली आहे. तुम्हाला जर हे आवडलं असेल तर माझं चॅनल लाईक करा, सबस्क्राईब करा. धन्यवाद. थँक्यू.